Concrete is one of the major materials used in construction, and the main component of concrete is cement. The production of cement is not very environment friendly. This is because 1 ton of carbon dioxide is released for every ton of cement produced. A material known as fly ash can be used as a possible alternative for cement. Fly ash is produced from the combustion of coal in electric utility or industrial boilers. Here are some advantages of fly ash. Firstly, fly ash is more environment friendly. It also has stronger binding ability than that of cement. This will result in an overall higher compressive strength for concrete. Fly ash also has finer particles that are more cohesive. This will make the concrete more impermeable, meaning that water will not pass through the concrete as easily as with cement. Some disadvantages of fly ash are: when fly ash is produced, there is a variance in quality. This will make selecting higher quality fly ash harder. Also, fly ash can result in slower curing time. This will make the concrete have lower early strength. Finally, please note that the advantages listed in this video are only true for high quality fly ash.